Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser to tub hose in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser to tub hose. This hose connects the dispenser housing outlet to the outer tub. Through this hose, water enters the tub. If there's a fast-growing puddle of water on the floor during the fill cycle on the left side of the washer, check the dispenser to tub hose and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove the top panel that's held in place with the two screws here. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Taking them out. Now I'm going to pull this top back and I'm going to lift it off. Now without the top, we can easily have access to this hose that we're going to replace. Now I'm going to remove this dispenser to tub hose. I'm going to squeeze this clamp and this one also, the wing hose clamps, and I'm going to remove the hose. So now we need to remove these two clamps of the old hose. Squeeze them off. As you can see, they are different diameter. So the big one goes on the bigger end, and the smaller one goes on the smaller end. This is the old dispenser to tub hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So now we need to install these two wing clamps on the hose. The larger one goes on this bigger end. It goes this way. And the smaller goes on this end. And now we can install it. Here we have a ready to install the dispenser to tub hose. Before pushing it on the ports, I'm going to use a little soap, which I have on my fingertips. And we're going to apply it to the inside of this hose. And after that, we're going to slide it on. This elbow goes to the top, and then this cut here will lock over the one of the ribs here at the back. All right, so we're going to install both ends. It's important, make sure it goes on all the way. And I'm going to squeeze this clamp, slide it on. On this end, and the rib goes in that cutout, and I'm going to squeeze this clamp, place it on. So we have a hose secured from both ends. Now we're going to install the top back on. And place it down a couple of inches away from the control panel. Make sure it's straight. And I'm going to slide it forward so the front will lock. Now we're going to secure the top panel to the cabinet with a couple of screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.